Hello, my name is Aaron Bulkey, and today I'm going to be showing off my Blend Modes package for Java. If you're interested, the source code and documentation is available on GitHub. There will be a link in the description. Pretty much the story behind this package is I'm trying to create a sort of a grain visual effect thing that adds film grain to video. And in order to do that, you have to apply an overlay blend mode to a image or to the frames of the video. And I could not find a standard implementation or something I understood in Java. I only saw one or two other implementations of overlay effects and blend modes, and those were all in JavaFX. This version is just using AWT, the standard API. And I have added in, it is 17 to 18 blend modes in here. These are standard ones that you can find in graphics programs such as Adobe Photoshop and GIMP, all of that good stuff. And some of the additional advantages and functionality is there is a opacity setting, so you're able to adjust the opacity of the blend, the top layer blend over the base layer, the opacity of that. There is overloading, so if you don't add an opacity, it'll just be assumed you want it to be 100% blended on top. Some important considerations: both images have to be the same size or else weird things may happen. I will show an example of that, but keep them the same size, and 8 bits per channel is required. So a standard 24-bit image is required. If you do 16 per channel or 24 per channel, there may be some problems, and I have not tested that yet, so functionality may vary. Here's just a quick example of how to use it. I do have, what I ended up doing was just creating a quick little example page in here. I'll just show sort of what we're going for with this. So this is the base image I've got for this example, this demo. I got a photo of myself for the overlay, which does mean the output is going to be very cursed because we're going to do an overlay blend mode. So when you overlay these two, ends up looking something like this. So that's sort of how a blend mode works in the graphics processing world. So that one's a overlay blend mode, and then just for fun, we do have a difference blend mode, which is terrifying. So feel free to have fun with these and implement them in your projects. One fun part about this package is it does use an enum for each of the different types of blend modes. So it changes how the blend calculation for each of those blend modes, sort of a weird polymorphism, but the polymorphism, instead of happening between classes, is happening inside the enum. I don't know if that's the right terminology, but that's, to the best of my abilities, how it works. And so, yeah, each one has a different way of calculating the way it blends, and that's controlled in the enums by changing the blend method through polymorphism. So a little bit of a weird way of doing it, but it was the cleanest, way cleaner than what I was doing previously. So yeah, thank you for checking this out. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to reach out, and have a good one.